guys, good morning, magandang umaga. Aura po si Ma'am Shi ngayon dahil meron po kaming importanteng pupuntahan ng aking asawa. Kasama po namin ngayon si Gabriel dahil kailangan namin siyang i-keep sa bahay. Hindi muna namin siya papunta sa school dahil meron po siyang mga rashes, no? Though wala po siyang lagnat. But to be safe, kasi alam niyo naman ang school dito mga guys is kunting ano lang ng mga bata. Dadalhin na papauwiin din nila. Which is okay lang naman kasi they just wanna make sure yung safety ng mga bagets. Anyway, ayan, may dala-dala po tayong envelope kasi finally today, mag-a-apply na po kami ng yung asawa ko. Magpa-file na po siya ng social. Kay yan si Gabriel. Are you still itching? Yeah, let me see. Let me see your neck. Meron kasi siya mga rashes. Diyan, so kaya i-keep namin siya. Ano po yung why not? Dala-dala po niya yung Skittles niya na candy. Galing sa Easter basket.
You got the Social Security cards in there? Why'd you put them in there?
You want me to take it out? Might as well bring everything or what? What do you think? Just bring the Social Security and that's it? Dito na po kami. Nice greenery right here. So only have appointment can go in. Plus no cameras inside, guys. Not allowed to use cell phone.
Park around here a little way.
Okay. Not bad, not bad. Line is not bad. There you go. So mag-park lang si asawa, guys. And then at least hindi traffic. Should we go now or wait a little?
Yeah, might as well.
Okay, let's go. What?
I'd rather go than get out of here.
Oh, I know. Let's go, guys. Guys, nakapila na po kami, no? Pero tingnan po ninyo ito. Ano yan? Looks like marang. Oh my God, look. Parang marang, guys. Oh, OMG. So, wait na lang po kami, no? Hindi pa kasi sila open, guys. Ayan na po siya. Ay, sa wakas. What are you doing? Huh?
It's like gymnastics.
No, you're gonna fall.
No, it's like
You
gymnastics.
don't have all the information you need
Buddy.
that apply to you. Keep your appointment and we will help get the information you need.
That's correct.
A few moments later.
Nagmamadali na po kami, no, dahil hatid namin si kuya sa school. Nakalimutan ko kasi na meron pala silang state testing ngayon.
Ayun.
Buti nga, i-update ko na lang kayo kung ano yung nangyari doon sa aming ano. Kasi kaya lang kami pumunta doon. Sinigurado lang kasi namin na talagang ngayon yung appointment. Pero hindi pala, next month pa po. Buti na lang nga dahil importante itong kay kuya, guys, state testing. State testing to, kaya nagmadali na kaming umuwi at ngayon papunta na kami sa
Test to see if
you're qualified for. What's that for though?
they do it to see what level you're at. Kind of see what, you know.
Okay, like your IQ? I don't know. Or
Kind of, but only like there's, you know, like say you're in the 8th grade.
yeah.
9th grade, they give him 9th grade math, whatever, and then see if he's lacking in any area
Okay.
and what level he's at. Like,
That's what state testing
you're a
is about
genius.
pala, guys.
You're a genius. Or
To
you're,
check kung anong level ka.
Or, well,
Basta gi-explain na niya. So tara,
you can't
guys.
even read yet.
Pagkatapos dito, pupunta po kami sa store dahil bibili kami ng I need to get oyster sauce too. So,
See if they can read or write, basically.
yes. Can you read, Kent?
No.
Can you write?
Spanglish.
Remember?
Guys, andito na kami sa bahay. Na-drop off na namin si Kuya. Ayan. Si
Okay,
Gabriel daw
ready?
mag-drive, guys. Papunta doon sa garage namin.
Put your foot down.
Don't worry, dito lang naman
I
kami,
don't think
guys.
we can do this much longer because we're getting so big.
There you go.
But you got to put your legs straight like this. There you go, under the steering wheel. Okay, now you got to turn.
Turn. Wow, great job. Turn. Turn the wheel.
That way, turn that way. More. More.
More. More, more. You got
Get
it.
it pointed straight to the hole over there. in
You
the
got
garage.
it.
Now
You
turn
got
it back.
it.
Now you got to turn it back. Turn it back.
There you
More.
go.
Turn it back more. Okay, now go straight.
You got it, sir.
Now turn a little more. Not much. Turn it back a little bit. Turn it back. Turn it back. Turn it back.
There you go. There you
Watch where
go.
you're going. You're not gonna hit
Stop
nothing.
looking
You
around.
gotta look where
Look
you're
at the
going.
front.
I'm doing it!
Yay! Oh, camera could panay on the front.
Turn that way.
Oh,
Little more. Little more.
Good job, Gabe.
Turn. Now go straight. Go straight.
Imagine,
Go straight.
guys, mga ganitong edad, marunong humawak ng steering wheel. Hindi pa naman as in, no?
Ah,
Pero
don't
kami
run
kasi
into the
noon,
dryer.
walang sasakyan, walang bike, walang
Brake.
everything. Matanda na nagka-alam about sasakyan.
Nope. That
Dito na
button.
kami, guys. So, magkape muna ako.
Now that button.
Alright, good job! Woo!
Now that button up there.
Bravo! Nandito po ako sa store, no? Ako lang kasi nag-aantay si asawa ng postman. Kasi meron kaming inaantay na package. Bili tayo ng garlic. Kuha lang tayo siguro dito. 3. Out na kasi yung garlic ko. Tsaka kumuha ako ng onions. Let's get a chicken. Ay, sarado. Isa lang siguro na. Yan. Kuha tayo nitong boy bawang. Dalawa lang ba guys, cornix, pang sima-sima lang sa work ba, no?
A few moments later.
Ito yung ginawa ko kagabi. May konting rice, chicken, at saka ano. Anyway, so update nga pala doon sa Social Security. Palpak po. Palpak ang pagpunta namin doon. Kasi nga, kasi ganito kasi yon. Pumunta kami, supposed to be talaga yung appointment namin May 21. No? Pero meron kasi si asawa na tanggap na paperwork ba dyan, or basta appointment letter. It's a letter pala guys. Appointment letter stating na April 21. So para hindi kami maano ni asawa, 'di ba? Mas mabuti na yung pinuntahan na namin kanina, which is today. Kaya lang, yun na nga, pagpunta namin doon, sabi nung tao sa Social Security is lahat kami, ako, mga bata, at saka si asawa, is sa May 21 pa talaga. Naghingi lang sila ng apologize kasi mali yung papel na pinadala, yung letter ba. Anyway, so yun na nga, ang nangyari, kailangan namin bumalik sa next month, 21st. So yan na talaga yung final na day. Pero, thank God naman at hindi talaga tuloy-tuloy yung process today. Kasi nga, hindi pwedeng ma-miss ni Kuya yung state testing niya. Very important talaga yan dito sa California, guys. At saka, Kasi kung natuloy yung process doon sa Social Security, hindi namin si Kuya madadala, mamimiss niya. So, it's a big thing din yan para kay Kuya, no? But anyway, thank God, meron din talagang reason talaga na talagang yung sinasabi ko nila na there is always ayaw kung basta anyway. Anyway, yun na nga yun, no? So, dumating na ang postman, no? Wala pa rin yung inaantay ko na mga passport namin. I'm so worried. But you know what? Tingnan natin dito sa ating... Hindi kasi camera ang gamit ko, guys. Tingnan natin. Wait lang, guys. Tara. Tingnan natin ang ating sus. Grabe ang kalat. Uy. Basura pa mo. Ang ating mailbox ba? Baka andun na. Yay! Finally here, guys! Woohoo! So happy. Kaya lang, kulang pa ng isa. Ang kay Cassie ang wala. I hope walang problema yung papers namin na binigay, no? Anyway, at least may dalawa na ako na-receive. Thank you, Lord. You're the best, Lord. I love you, Lord. Kasi ito na yung ano ko, kasi mag-apply kami ng dual citizenship. Kailangan namin to. Magandang hapon. Time check. 5:16. Yan o. On na naman po ang oven natin. Ibig sabihin, tingluto na naman po ng dinner, no? I just woke up from my nap. Actually, natulog po ako ng 2 hours and a half. Which is good thing. Thank you, Lord. Kasi kailangan ko talaga. Alam nyo ba? Diba earlier, I'm so happy. Kasi nga, guys, I'm so happy, diba? Kasi nga, finally, dumating na yung passport na inantay ko. Which is, I'm happy, but I'm kinda not happy kasi dalawa lang po siya. And, siguro mga 30 minutes na na-receive ko na yung passport. Ano siya, guys? Meron ako na-receive na email from Department of State, blah blah blah. Basta it's about my passport application for my daughter Cassandra. Kasi nga, 'di ba, akala ko, struggle ako about dyan dahil nga since merong tatay yung birth certificate niya, kailangan talaga ng consent ng tatay. I've heard about that a long time ago, yung kaibigan ko. But anyway, this time, nag-email sila na hindi nila ma-process yung application ni Cassie and until na mag-respond ako doon at kailangan nila ng mga documents. Dahil yung consent na nakuha ko doon sa tatay niya sa Philippines is not allowed dito sa US. Kasi may mga certain places lang na ina-allowed yung consent na ganon. So, ang advice nila, pumunta daw ako sa Philippine Consulate or gawing online ang consent. I don't know. But my husband is trying to help me sort the things out, diba? Kasi kailangan na talaga namin magkaroon ng passport for Cassandra. But anyway, yun na nga. So, that's another problem. So, yung saya ko kanina, napalitan ng medyo lungkot kasi nga, it sounds like a hassle. You know, kasi malayo po kami. It's like 2 hours kami doon sa Philippine Consulate. But anyway, yeah, that's the problem. Anyway, yun lang, na-check ako lang, guys. It's a pain in the butt. But we have to do what we have to do. What can we do? Yun na nga siya. Ito na yung dinner ko. Akain lang tong dinner, guys. Not tacos. Kasi sa mga bata, meron silang chicken adobo. Si asawa, meron yung Chinese food kanina. Kasi, ito, leftover kasi ito kahapon. At ayaw ng mga bata nito. So, okay, akin na lang. Lagyan natin ng hot sauce. Kain ako maaga kasi meron pa akong gagawin eh. Ito yung itsura, guys. Kain na tayo kasi 5:21 na. Ayan. Kain tayo, everyone. Kain na tayo, guys. So, wala kaming ibang magawa kundi i-gather na naman ang documents para maumpisahan na talaga yan, guys. Kasi talagang hassle yan. Pero wala tayong magagawa, no? Ganyan talaga ang life. Kailangan nating dumaan sa mga paganan-ganon. Pero hindi naman yan big deal. Malayo lang dito sa amin kasi. Kaya, yan ang big deal.
Really? Oh no, that sounds like I think you have to talk to somebody that knows.